Bye, buddy. Miss you.
Well, buddy, time for me to head out again. Wish you could come along for this one, but you get to stay cozy while I head out in the snow. Today's adventure starts with a quick stop at Sugar Lake for some snowy camping. Before I hit the road, I need to make sure I'm ready for Sugar Lake. It's going to be snowy, so having plenty of firewood is a must. There's something about prepping for winter camping that feels so rewarding. Nothing beats a crackling fire for when you're surrounded by snow. Sugar Lake is just the first stop. Once I've had my fill of the snowy wilderness, it's off to the ocean for some warmer weather and new adventures. So let's hit the road. Well, so far the road's not too terrible. There's actually water on the road. But we got bare dirt, which means we got traction. So if we got this road all the way to the campsite, then we'll be good. It'll be pretty easy to get in and pretty easy to get out. Crossing my fingers, you know, I'm going to say that now and I'm going to run into trouble in like 10 minutes. We'll figure it out. This is an adventure. We're going to explore. We're going to see if this is even possible. Because before, I thought this was just covered in snow and ice, and then it was just, you know, something that you'd need like a 4x4 to get into. But I got traction, so I'm pretty good. I'm pretty happy. Alright. We'll see you guys down at the campsite. I think it's time for me to go. Burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way. Fell between the fold, pulling stitches. Time to let go. So come one may. Well, I made it. Whether I should just park here, have a fire over there. It's a possibility. So I'm just stopping to make a cup of tea and we're gonna have some lunch. So I got some vegetable soup mix. I'm gonna add some noodles to this and we're gonna throw it on the stove and cook it. Yeah, it's such a beautiful place out here. It's so pretty. Can't believe I don't visit out here more often, especially in this time of weather. And it's just like just right, so there's not too much snow that I can still get out of here without too much trouble. Although there's a lot of traffic on this road, it is plowed, so I'm not complaining. It's only 1 degree outside, just what, like 33 Fahrenheit or something like that. Perfect temperature. We're gonna go start the fire here in a bit after I have lunch. I'm gonna enjoy the campfire for a little while and enjoy this beautiful view before it gets dark. Alright, I got my cup of tea. I got my soup. And this smells and looks good. I'm excited for this one. It's a little bit hot, so I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute. But I can't resist. Should have grabbed some hot dog buns because I got hot dogs. I just don't have any hot dog buns. We could have cooked up a couple on the fire. Oh well, that's alright. Could have s'mores on the campfire. Just forgot hot dog buns. Oh well. So I logged into Starlink, uploaded a couple pictures, let my family know I was okay. I'm gonna wait till this cools down. Downloaded a couple shows just in preparation for not having internet, and I don't really want to use Starlink the whole time out here, but yeah, we're just gonna hang out here and then we're gonna go start a fire here in a minute. I'm gonna let this cool down. I'm gonna watch some TV. We'll see you guys in a few minutes. This is what it's all about, leaving the chaos behind and finding peace in the wild. Sugar Lake in the snow feels like stepping into a postcard. But out here, it's not just about the views, it's about embracing the cold, hearing the crunch of the snow under your boots, and knowing you're alive in moments like this. Every trip starts with a little bit of work, but the reward is this: complete solitude and the kind of beauty you can only find off the beaten path. And the snow brings a different feel to camping in the winter at Sugar Lake. There's something primal about this moment. Starting a fire in the snow, you feel connected to the elements in a way that's hard to explain. This fire, it's more about the warmth, its comfort, its survival, and it's the heart of camp life. Tonight, this little flame is going to make a little cold feel like home. The next leg of the journey takes me west, but for now, I'm soaking in every moment this winter wonderland has to offer. Starting to get dark. You can't see anything anymore. I'm gonna head into the van, get all nice and warmed up. Oh. My boots are blocking the door here. Alright, we're packed in the van. It's a little bit chilly. It's not too bad, but I'm gonna turn the heater on. Yeah, it's like 8 degrees in the van. It's not that cold, but warm it up in here anyways. Well, I'm gonna have dinner here pretty soon. I'm gonna warm up my fingers. My feet are warm, which is shocking. Normally they're cold like all the time. I couldn't begin to describe like the feeling I get every time I'm in this van and I'm traveling around and having everything I need right here in this van and being comfortable and warm. And even when it's, -10 outside, there's only a few things I gotta worry about. making sure my water doesn't freeze, making sure my canned food doesn't, explode, and keeping my batteries in a somewhat, reasonable temperature. Let's see right now. And even right now, the temperature in the batteries are 10 degrees. So that's pretty good, considering like it's 1 degree outside. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks to all the new subscribers that are here. Remember to hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys on the next episode of Life with Spike. Peace out.